Our next topic is the Maxwell's modification of Ampere's circuital theorem and displacement current. We have the four Maxwell equations. First one is del dot E equal to rho by epsilon 0. One. Second equation del dot B equal to 0. These two are divergence equations. And another two equations, curl equations. Del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T. This is the third equation. This is a curl equation. Del cross B equal to mu 0 J. This equation is not Maxwell equation. This is Ampere's law equation. Ampere's law equation and equation number 4. Before Maxwell, these are the four equations. The two curl equations is observed by Maxwell, and he take a divergence on this equation 3 and 4. The third equations, he conclude that the time varying magnetic field creates an electric field. Since the time varying magnetic field creates an electric field, it should be expected that a time varying electric field creates a magnetic field. With this idea in mind, Maxwell take the fourth equation del cross B is equal to mu 0 J, and he showed that this equation is inconsistent with the continuity equation and suitable only for describing static fields. To include the time varying electric fields, the equation had to be modified. This modification resulted in a quantity known as displacement current. We have del cross B is equal to mu 0 J from Ampere's theorem. Taking divergence on both sides, del dot del cross B equal to mu 0 is a constant into del dot J. Since the divergence of curl of any vector, divergence of curl of any vector is equal to 0. The LHS term must be equal to 0, that is del dot del cross B is equal to 0, that is 0 is equal to mu 0 into del dot J. Mu 0 is a constant and it is not equal to 0, therefore del dot J is equal to 0. According to continuity equation, del dot J plus dou rho by dou T equal to 0. Comparing equation 5 and 6, we get d rho dou rho divided by dou t equal to 0. Since del dot j is equal to 0, this term is equal to 0. On substituting equation 5 in 6, dou rho by dou t equal to 0. This means that the charge density rho is a constant. Since the d by dt or dou by dou t of rho is equal to 0 means the charge density rho is a constant with respect to the time. From this, Maxwell concluded that Ampere's law is valid only for steady state conditions and it is insufficient for the cases of time varying magnetic fields. Hence, to include the time varying fields, Ampere theorem must be modified. Maxwell investigated mathematically how one could alter Ampere's theorem so as to make it consistent with the equation of continuity. Maxwell assumed that the definition of current density J is incomplete and hence say something JD must be added to it. Therefore, Ampere's theorem becomes del cross B equal to mu 0 plus mu 0 into J plus JD. Maxwell included a term JD. To evaluate JD, take the divergence of equation 8. Del dot del cross B equal to mu 0 into del dot J plus JD, or 0 is equal to mu 0 del dot J plus JD, since the divergence of curl of a vector is equal to 0. This term become 0, or del dot or del dot J plus JD equal to 0, or expanding del dot J plus del dot JD equal to 0, or del dot J is equal to minus del dot JD. From the equation of continuity, we have del dot J is equal to, from equation of continuity, del dot J is equal to minus dou rho by dou t. That is, this is del dot J is equal to minus del dot JD, or we can arrive at del dot JD equal to plus dou rho by dou t. This is taken as equation number 9. From Gauss's theorem, we have del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon 0. This is the first equation. Or del dot epsilon 0 E equal to rho. This is equation number 10. We just moving the epsilon 0 term to LHS. Substituting this equation number 10 in equation number 9. Equation number 9 is del dot JD is equal to plus dou rho by dou t. On substituting, we get del dot JD equal to del dot JD equal to dou by dou t of rho. Rho is equal to del dot epsilon 0 E. Del dot is a spatial derivative and dou by dou t is a function indicating time derivative. So we can interchange del dot and dou by dou t, that is del dot JD is equal to del dot dou by dou t of epsilon 0 E. From this equation we can reject JD equal to del dot JD is equal to del dot dou by dou t of epsilon 0 E. JD is equal to dou by dou t of epsilon 0 E. This is equation number 11. Therefore, equation 8 becomes, equation 8 is del cross B is equal to mu 0 into J plus JD. Del cross B equal to mu 0 into J plus JD. JD is equal to dou by dou t of epsilon 0 E. This is equation number 12 and this is called the modified form of Ampere's theorem. The second term we can put epsilon 0 outside. Epsilon 0 dou E by dou t we can call the term epsilon 0 dou E by dou t is as displacement current. As a result, the four Maxwell equations are: 1. Del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon 0, del dot B is equal to 0, del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou t, and del cross B is equal to, this fourth equation is modified. Fourth equation is Ampere's theorem. It is modified by Maxwell to del cross B is equal to mu 0 J plus mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E by dou t. These are the four Maxwell equations. Equation 1, 2, 3, 4 are equations before Maxwell's.